So I'm Dr. Nikhita and I'm an Ayurvedic doctor. I have also done my master's degree in psychological well-being and mental health. So let me tell you a little bit about my journey in yoga. I've been practicing yoga for the last almost a decade now. क्योंकि जब हम योगिक प्रैक्टिस चालू करते हैं तो हमारा माइंड, बॉडी, सोल एक हार्मनी में होना चाहिए और इसके लिए हम जो है हमारे ब्रेथ पे कंसंट्रेट कर रहे हैं. योगा वी ऑलवेज डू इट एज पर एवरीबॉडीज कैपेसिटी, सो डू इट अकॉर्डिंगली.
It create more lines, or like how does it can you just help me to sort out this confusion?
Yes, sure, yeah. So the reason why we are doing this particularly and why we are contracting and relaxing is that this helps in boosting the blood circulation. Take a point and then gaze at it and then contract. Have more of breathing techniques and facial oils. I'll also send the handout to you by evening and you can have a look at that. If you don't have facial oil, it's okay, there's no problem, and just have your cleansed skin, that's fine.
It was great attending your session, Nikita. Thanks a lot.
I'm so glad. Do come in tomorrow as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Okay then. Bye.